Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your PEOS certificate online, step by step. And yes, it's completely free. If you're planning to work abroad, this is one of the very first requirements you'll need. So make sure to stick around until the end. So what is PEOS? PEOS stands for Pre-Employment Orientation Seminar. It's a mandatory requirement from the POEA, now under the Department of Migrant Workers or DMW. This online seminar is designed to protect Filipinos from illegal recruiters. It teaches you your rights, responsibilities, and the legal process of working overseas. Before we begin, here's what you'll need: a smartphone or a computer, a stable internet connection, a working email address, and your personal details like your name, birthday, and so on. That's it. Once you have those, you're ready to go. Step 1. Open your browser and go to peos.dmw.gov.ph. That's the official PEOS website from the Department of Migrant Workers. Make sure everything is correct before proceeding. Start the PEOS modules. There are 8 short modules. Each one discusses important topics like employment contracts, common scams, your rights as an OFW, and more. Take the short quizzes. After each module, there's a quick quiz. Don't worry, they're simple and you can reread the modules if you need to. Quick tips before we move on. Take your time reading each module. Make sure your internet connection is stable so your progress gets saved. And remember, your PEOS certificate doesn't expire, but some agencies might ask for a recent one, so it's best to download and keep a copy. Once you've completed all 8 modules and passed all the quizzes, just go to your dashboard and click Download Certificate. You can print it or save it as a PDF, whichever works for you. That's how you get your POS certificate online. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this. Got questions? Just leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Good luck with your job abroad journey, and stay safe, mga kababayan!